Now my students, class 7, chapter 7, Radiant Readers, Raja Bhoje 2. 1 I already completed. Now all of you listen the story carefully. One day a great blue-headed lizard came to the water spring. We told about the water spring. Now one day a great blue-headed lizard came near it. He was so thirsty that he could hardly drink himself alone. Now, he was very thirsty, that lizard, and his skin was shriveled for want of moisture, and his skin was lacking of moisture. On his approach to the pool, he had failed to notice the jackal. He approached to the pool and he failed to notice the jackal. But that jackal, now who considered himself the owner of that water spring, just as he was stopping to drink, just stooping to drill, Raja Bhoje called out, "Oh, stop, brother! There is a custom here. You have to pay tribute to honorable, that is, to myself, that is the jackal. I am the jackal, the owner here. That is, I cannot permit you to drink water unless you say these words. On a throne of ivory covered with gold, with pearls in his ears, sits the noble Raja Bhoje. The unhappy you have to say this, then you have to drink water. The unhappy lizard had just enough strength to raise his head and gasp, "Oh, jackal, I am too thirsty. I cannot say all this, but let me moisten my tongue first." So the unhappy lizard said, "I can't say this. Let me moisten my tongue first. I cannot." Then the jackal said, "I cannot permit you to drink water from this. Let me drink," pleaded the lizard. "I shall do without, I shall die without a drink of water. Then where is thy tribute? I will die. Then how I shall pay you tribute if I don't drink water now?" "No," insisted Raja Bhoje. "All the birds and animals are respectful and salute me before." "No, you are not exception, because all the birds and animals pay tribute first to me and then drink water. So I cannot allow you without pay tribute to me. Only one sip, I pray thee, my king, and then I will say anything to show my gratitude and respect." Okay, the king of this water bring, let me drink just one sip, then I will pay tribute. The jackal, seeing that it was quite useless to argue further with the miserable lizard, at last consented. Indeed, the creature was so wasted for want of water and so weak that he felt that he could not press the matter. "Just one sip, only one sip," he said. "I am a merciful Raja and have pity on my slaves." So the jackal considered the lizard. "Okay, you drink water, because otherwise you will die. I am a merciful king, so I always consider all my subjects. Now all my subordinate slaves, all my slaves. I feel pity for my slaves. Remember, I am a noble prince and come of a great family." The lizard lowered his head and drank the water. Stop, enough!" shouted Raja Bhoje. "I said one sip. I told you just to take one sip, but you are taking more." Still the lizard drank on until he had fully quenched his thirst and could drink no more. But without listening this, the lizard too drank the whole of water and fulfilled his thirst. Now, O jackal," he said, pretending to salam, "I will pay such tribute to thee as is worthy of thy great state." "Okay, then I will now pay you tribute. On a stone bepowdered with mud, a dirty old shoe on his ear, sits a wicked jackal who calls himself Raja Bhoje. Then he said these words. Actually, this is a humiliation, insult to Raja Bhoje, not a tribute to whom, because he said it is a wicked jackal. The lizard, having delivered this scornful speech, flipped his tail and made off into the jungle with a furious jackal after him. The lizard, after uttering these words, he delivered his speech. He flipped his tail and made off into the jackal with the furious, and the furious jackal ran after him. Now, this is the story. Let me explain you again. Now, next day, the word meaning and few question answer. Now, Raja Bhoje Tutu, one day a blue-headed lizard. We know about this water brink. All the thirsty animals and the birds came here to drink water. Now, but before drinking water, they had to pay tribute to the Raja Bhoje, that is the jackal, one who claimed himself the owner of this place. Now, one day a great blue-headed lizard came to the water's brink. He was so thirsty that he could hardly drink himself alone. He very thirsty, and he wanted to drink water. Then at that time, the lizard was so thirsty. Now the jackal, who claimed himself the owner and the Raja Bhoje name, he said, "Oh, stop! You cannot take water, because all the birds, animals, they are not allowed to drink water unless and until they said these words." What is this? On a throne of ivory covered with gold, with pearls in his ears, sits the noble Raja Bhoje. Then the lizard said, "Okay, enough, but I must gather enough strength to utter these words. But I am too thirsty, I cannot say all that. Let me first moisten my tongue. Now I cannot permit thee even that." But the jackal said, "No, I cannot give you permission to drink water." Then the lizard said, "Let me drink, otherwise I will die. If I die, then how shall I pay tribute to you?" Then Raja Bhoje said, "No, all the birds and animals are respectful and salute me before drinking from the pool of water. And you are a lizard and you are not paying tribute to me." Then the lizard said, "Oh, the king, only one sip. I pray to you, you are the king." Then the jackal said, "Oh, okay, I am the king and I must be pitiful to all my subjects. Okay, drink water." Now, the lizard lowered his head and drank the drinks. "Stop, stop, enough," shouted Raja Bhoje. "I said one sip, stop." Still the lizard drank with fully quenched his thirst, and satisfied his full thirst. Now, then the jackal said, "Okay, stop. I allowed you to take one sip, and you have taken so much of water. Now you pay tribute to me." Then he started to pay tribute. How? On a stone, lizard. The lizard started to say, "On a stone bepared with mud, a dirty old shoe on his ear, sits a wicked jackal who calls himself Raja Bhoje." Called him a wicked jackal. Now the lizard, having delivered this scornful speech, flipped his tail and made off into the jungle with the furious jackal after him. He ran into the jungle, and the jackal started to run after him. Okay, this is the story today up till this. Next day, question answer. Okay. See you in my next class.